welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that bell, and if you're old here, thank you for coming back. So today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to back up a tractor trailer. So if that interests you, stay tuned. So you want to set up your trailer to get it into the box. So what you're going to do first is you're going to take your trailer, turn the wheel all the way to the right. Once the tractor is completely straight, you're going to stop and turn the trailer all the way to the left until it is completely straight. Once it's completely straight, you're going to start backing up the trailer. So now you want to slide your tandems. What this is going to do is it's going to have the tires go to the rear of the trailer, as you can see. Guys, I just want to point out something. Please make sure you're wearing your gloves and all of your PPE, as this job can get really dangerous and you can get really sick. Just wear gloves. I'm just not wearing gloves. Your landing gear. Are you giving me this camera? I'm the real star here. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Nothing to it but to do it. And you don't want to put it all the way on the ground. Give it like a little bit. And you're all done, guys. You just disconnect. You're just inside. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment, like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you next week. Bye.